Welcome to Big Marv's world.
People used to connect using the World Wide Web. They call it the internet. With different types of social media. Store the information sort of like encyclopedia.
Hey, what's good, everybody? Good morning, maybe late afternoon, late night. I haven't gone to bed yet, so, it's still night for me. But I hope you guys are doing good. It is Thursday, I think. See, this is the problem with staying up overnight. You always lose track of days. Yes, Thursday. Been working on this build the last couple weeks. I've actually been working on it the last this funnel stack particularly for the last couple months, just testing different lead magnets, different offers, different products. We finally found our winners, so now we are building a massive retargeting campaign to hopefully get some sales. What's up, man? How's it going? Thanks for tuning in, brother. I'm gonna try to say your name, Alurk. I'm sorry if I fucked that up, but that's what it looks like to me. Yeah, I'm about to go over this this funnel build that I've been working on. So thanks for tuning in. Just give me a minute or two. I'm sharing this out into a couple groups. I got one more share to do, and then we're gonna get at it. Alright, cool. Now that is done. Now let's jump into this build. So there's actually a few different funnels that are going into this build. We actually have four different funnels. We're going to be building 4 different ads today, and so I'm going to show you guys the stack, and then I'm going to explain the different funnels and why we're driving traffic that way. Okay, so here's the main stack. Well, one of the main stacks. So it's lead magnet. So we got 2 lead magnets that we're running. We have an ebook, which is the 5 secrets to an alpha physique, and then the other one is a 10-day challenge that he put together. And both of those lead magnets have performed very well. We've gotten close to 4,000 leads from these 2 lead magnets. So we're going to keep running these lead magnets. Then we're going to a low ticket offer, which is his summer shred program. It's $19.99. There's a one-page checkout for the $19.99 offer. Once they check out, then they go to the first upsell, which is his alpha shred program. We tested a few different price points and settled on $67. It was our highest converting, so this is at $67. Then we have a VIP bundle, which are his programs that he put together that go hand in hand with alpha shred. They align together, and that's $49. And then we have a downsell for the bundle at $19 for if they don't buy the VIP bundle. And then Alpha VIP coaching, that's his recurring monthly. Recurring monthly is how you scale rapidly. If you can get as many recurring members as you can into your membership site, that is how you build a passive income and scale your business rapidly, having some source of recurring revenue. And then of course we got the purchase thank you page. That's if they buy anything, they're going to go to this thank you page. If they don't buy anything, if they say no thank you on the first offer, then they're going to go here to the standard thank you page. And so that one was the lead magnet for the 5 secrets. And then we have the 10-day alpha challenge. So this one is just another lead magnet funnel. And then once they opt in, they will be directed to the sales page that I just showed you, the sales page stack inside here. And then we have Summer Shred, which is directing traffic directly to Summer Shred. You know, these are people that have already downloaded his leads magnet, those 4,000 that we were mentioning. We're going to send emails out to his list to send them directly to Summer Shred and present them with the exact same value stack. And then people that have already purchased Summer Shred, they've already done the challenge, they're ready to move on to the main Alpha Shred program for 67. We have that here, and then the value stack is the VIP bundle, the downsell for the VIP bundle, and the VIP coaching. Hey, what's up, Megan? What's up, Rachel? Thank you guys for tuning in. Just reviewing a funnel, about to build some ads. So that is the 4 funnels that I'm using to drive traffic to. So now let me show you the automations. So here's the different automations that we have. Remember, the money is in the follow-up, so that's why it's so important to do the automations. That's why it's so important to have emails. So we have the first lead magnet, which is the 5 secrets opt-in. And we have a full series, and then you can see here where I'm checking to see if they have the Alpha Shred tag, because if they get the Alpha Shred tag, that means they purchased Alpha Shred, right? So if they purchased it, then I don't have to keep trying to talk them into purchasing Alpha Shred. So we have a 7-day follow-up series, or 8-day, I believe. No, it's 7 days. So we have a 7-day follow-up series where we're following up with them to try to get them back into the funnel to get Alpha Shred. Alright. And so then the other lead magnet is the 10-day challenge. Alright, so this is why I always say like 5 secrets, 10-day challenge, 30-day challenge, 100-day challenge. When you use your lead magnet like that, you naturally give yourself a way to nurture your audience by writing an email for every step or every day that's in your book. Alright, so we're doing the same thing here. I have a 10-day email sequence where I'm checking to see if they've purchased Alpha Shred, and I'm going to keep talking them into it. So this one, you can see we've put over 11,000 people through this sequence so far. So it's converting pretty well. That's why we're going to keep running it. Alright, and then we have his VIP coaching. I haven't written a sequence for that yet. I've just written the delivery. But remember, guys, always take action. Get this done first so you can launch and then just stay ahead of the audience. So all I got to do is come in here and write an email every day and get until my copywriter gets my full sequence back to me, and we're good to go. So they're getting tagged, we're checking for the tag, and then we're sending them emails. An active campaign, if they fall out of the sequence, you have to put them back into the sequence. So I always add a wait timer at the end, wait for 365 days to give myself time to get in here and write more emails. That way they stay in the same place in the automation, and I can send them the emails to get them to the goal I want them to hit. It's the same for the VIP bundle. It's the same for Alpha Shred, and the same for Summer Shred. Now the reason why is because all of these guys are warm audience, right? The only way they're getting into these automations if they purchase something. So I'm cool with just writing them a delivery email and letting them sit there while I come up with the follow-up sequence for them to walk them up into the other steps of the value stack. Whereas these, the Alpha Challenge Nurture and the 5 Secrets opt-in, those are cold traffic that just downloaded a free lead magnet. They haven't actually purchased yet. So you want to nurture those. You want to pay attention more to your cold traffic and nurturing them to turn them into warm and hot traffic. Alright, so that is the automation. Now let's dig into some ads. So I want to show you the custom audiences that we're building. Some are still populating, so we don't see final numbers, but I can at least give you guys the ad strategy. I'm going to turn the ads on anyways, because they're ready to be used. They'll continue to populate. So here we got our lookalike audience. So this is the 3-second viewers. This is the audience I'm going to be using to drive the cold traffic to the cold traffic to get more lead magnet downloads, right? Because if you see his 3-second viewers down here, we got 120,000 people that have watched 3 seconds or more of his videos, right? So what Facebook does is it takes these 120,000 people and it found 2.2 million people that are just like these 120,000. We're going to be driving ads directly to there to try to get them to download more lead magnets, right? And then these up here are our warmest people, right? 95% video viewers for the last 180 days. We got 54,000. Facebook engagement. This is anybody that's engaged with any Facebook post or ad in the last 180 days. It's still populating, but so far it's at 8,800. And then this is for anyone who's engaged with Instagram in the past 180 days, and it's at 51,000 so far, but it's still populating. But you can see over here the availability says ready, so that means I can still build ads with it, and it will continue to populate even though the ad, after the ad is turned on. Alright. So now let's jump into Ads Manager and build these ads. I've already pre-written the copy for these ads. I already got the videos ready, so we're going to be good to go. So this is the promotion that we ran, which told us $67 was the magic number. We ran this 48-hour promo, and we got over $5,000 in sales in 48 hours for what, like $700 in ad spend. So that was like, boom, that's the magic number. That's why you always test. And you figure out what works, what doesn't work, and then if it does work, then you just continue to do that. If it doesn't work, you keep trying things until you find what works. You just look at the numbers, look at the data. There's thousands of ways to do this. You just keep testing until you find out what works for you. So I'm going to do it in two different ones. I'm going to do Summer Shred in the feed, and then I'm going to do Summer Shred Instagram only, because our 5 secrets lead magnet performed really well on Instagram swipe, so I'm going to run some swipe only ads for that one. And ACV1 means Alpha Challenge Video 1. Alright, so now go here into the ad set. What in the fuck? I'm trying to edit the ad set, god damn it. Facebook just did an update on the back end, so you can expect glitches. Give me a second. not. Okay. We're gonna create a new let's see. And then this one is going to be the 3-second lookalike audience. And we already know, oh, we're going to get rid of Canada though, and use the United States. And then we already know that 25 to 44 mil convert at the highest for him, so we're going to use that. And then for placements, we're going to go feed, suggested videos, no stories, no end stream, no contextual spaces, no app insights. Okay. So now we can do the ad. Megan, you do need to write some damn emails. You telling the truth, girl. Alright. Now that's uploaded. So now let's choose a thumbnail. You always want to choose oh, it doesn't give you the option to choose from the video anymore. You have to upload. Well, that's shitty. And then captions. You always want to do captions if you can, because a lot of people don't even listen. Elvis Red program. Let's see. Nothing to lose. Everything to gain. Check it out. Send me your before and after. Get it free. And I wonder why it does not show headlines for the video reviews anymore. Here, let's see. Oh yeah, there it goes. You have to check this box now. Hey, we're learning. We're getting there. And then I'm going to just test the funnel real quick. Make sure I got the link right. And I did. And we'll leave it at learn more. Make sure the pixel is turned on. And then I'm going to customize the video and put it in the aspect ratio that works on the IG feed, which is going to be 4:5. Maybe it'll let me do a thumbnail. That isn't the automatic one. Because you should be able to select a frame. Maybe it just can only pick up that one frame. I don't know. That's odd though. It's all pixelated. Let's see. I'm gonna do this. Holy shit. Let me see how that looks. Okay. Alright. Cool. I want to make sure the captions are still there. Of course they're not. Revolutionary Alpha Shred Program. Alright, cool. So now I did all the things to make Facebook happy. It should let me publish now. Gonna refresh because Facebook's struggling right now. You can connect to Instagram, but it can't connect to Facebook. There we go. Okay. So now what we're gonna do here is duplicate. And the reason why I'm duplicating the ad set is because I want 100% of that $20 budget to go to that one video. Now, if you didn't care about your budget being split between videos, then go ahead and just do more videos in there. But if Facebook sees one performing better than the other, then it's automatically going to show it more. So sometimes you don't get a fair test depending on how many videos you put in there. So Just making sure all the settings are still the same. And then instead of AV, it's going to be Summer Shred. And choose a different video. Summer Shred. Summer Shred. Summer Shred. And while that's going, I'll go ahead and throw this Summer Shred copy in there. That's not supposed to be a trophy. Let's go emoji. Emojipedia. That is not supposed to be a trophy. Summer is here. What the fuck did I make that? It was supposed to be a wave. But you know, sometimes a notepad gets the emoji wrong. It's cool. Perfect Strummer. Then let's test the funnel, make sure it works. It does. Okay. Alright, and then the headline, let's grab that. Alright. And then now let's put the video in the right aspect ratio. Do, 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 do. Facebook likes to take its time processing videos. I am just waiting for the video. So, how are you guys doing? Oh, I'm just watching myself. Nobody's on the live. I'll just keep doing these, you know. When you guys are creating content, it takes a while for people to catch on and get used to you coming on live, following you, consuming your content, etc., etc., etc. So just remember when you're doing this shit in the beginning, because I just started going live again after months of not going live, it takes a little bit to build it back up, baby. So, it is what it is. See, look at all these thumbnails. They didn't generate all these for the other video. Damn it. I uploaded the wrong video. Oops. That's cool. This is the one I was supposed to upload. Alright, so now let's crop this bitch. Let's wait for Facebook to process the video. I used to listen to music when I went live, but then Facebook likes to mute your shit. So I wouldn't want you guys to miss the message, the training, blah blah blah. So I wasn't playing music. I'm not being very entertaining because I'm focused on work. I'm trying to mix it up, being educational and entertaining, entertainational. I don't fucking know, but I was over here creating ads. So hopefully at least you guys are learning something, and yeah, that's the goal, is to learn. Let's go with this pedo. Hey, guy. I'm gonna go with that. Fuck it. It's the funniest one. Alright. 'That's the biggest thing, that I dance. Let's go against Facebook. Come on. I did that stuff. Did that stuff for a long time. I had no life. It's only 1999. Only 1999. It's only 1999. 1999. Do things smarter. Not harder. Not harder. Save the video. I'm telling you guys, if you take the minute it takes to put the captions on your videos, they will convert better. So just do it. Alright, and the pixel is turned on. Perfect. Let's go ahead and get that bad boy published. The next, we're going to do the IG stories. 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 Yeah, so let's go back here. I'm going to duplicate this ad set again. So this one is going to the video view stories. Okay, and then we're going to go down here to this, and we're going to go stories. We're going to get rid of the feed. That's how you run IG swipe ads. Like, if you want it to just be IG swipe, literally just do this. Let me see if his call to action is swipe up, because if it is, then it literally is going to be a swipe up only. Yeah, it is a swipe up specific call to action. So we're gonna run Instagram only. Alright, so now let's customize this bad boy. I wish someone would have told me, blah blah blah. It's been 5 years, 15 years in the making. I wish I had somebody tell me so I could get ripped sooner. I'm not really ripped, but y'all know what I mean. Shout out to my one viewer. Thank you for tuning in and watching. I hope you're enjoying the show. Let's pick a. Hell yeah, it's the default. Well, fuck you then. Whatever. We'll go with the default. We'll just throw this out there. We're gonna go 98% of diets. 90. Hold on. 98% of diets and workout programs you are gonna find on Instagram are gonna be flawed. I believe that's what he says. Let's rewind it. It's gonna be flawed in these 5 crucial ways. And I wish someone figured out, and I wish someone would have told me the right way a long time ago. So swipe up, grab it now. Grab it now. You're not gonna regret it. Save. Saved to the video. Now I need to get the copy. Let's see if it gets these emojis right. Oh, it got these emojis right. And then let's test, make sure the funnel loads. It does. Alright. Let's grab the headline. Oh shit. That is not the headline. My bad. My bad. I can't read. There's no headline. It's Instagram swipe up ad. pixel. Alright. Ah, damn it, I forgot to update the title of the video. Here, I go do that. And publish again. A good thing it's just in review. It's not gonna go instantly active. So it's gonna be Alpha Secrets AS. Alright. So then the last thing we're going to do is create a couple conversion campaigns for Alpha Shred retargeting our warm audience. So this is our video feed. We're just running the lookalike audience using video views and the functionality of video views where you can add a custom link, a custom button where they can click on it and actually visit, give them a call to action. So we're running cold traffic with that with video views, but we're gonna actually run conversion ads with our warm audience. Alright, so we're going to be doing the alpha view pixel. We're going to do 7-day or 1-click, optimizing for conversions, $20 a day, and then we're going to get rid of Canada, use United States, and then like I said, we're going to use just our warm audiences that are created. So we have Instagram engagement, Facebook engagement, and our 95% viewers. I'm going to go 25 to 44-year-old males. And we're going to go feed only and suggested video. If they were 15 seconds, I would do in stream as well, but they're not 15 seconds. And then while that uploads, I'll go ahead and throw the copy in there. And I'll make sure this link works. Okay. I'll grab the headline. pixels turned on. Alright, so now I'm going to customize this video as soon as it's finished uploading. Blang, blang, blang. I like how he called it banger. I mean, it is a pretty good video, though. I'd call it a banger. It is a banger. That means a good video. Damn it, I have to upload one. Because we can't be having no damn black screen. And find one of Ryan. Looks good. Now I'm just gonna clone it and throw the second video in there. Because I got two that I'm gonna split test against each other. Just against each other. I'm gonna split test them against each other. Split test, the split test, the split test. Alright, so now we're just gonna duplicate this ad. Same campaign, same ad set. Alright, and then I'm going to update this to say V2. Then we're going to change the video. Same copy, same headline. Remember, you don't want to test too many variables at once. Almost there, guys. It's almost there. It's almost there, guys. I don't know if it's glitched or what, but if you are leaving more comments, my single loyal viewer, I cannot see them. But thank you for hanging out. I appreciate it. Alright, let's see how this looks. Okay. That looks good. Let's go ahead and let that process. We're gonna go ahead and let that do its job. See if it generated any thumbnails. Yay! Wait, this can't be the right video because this is Summer Shred. Hold on. Let me listen to this video. Okay, it is the right one. He just happens to wear a white t-shirt in more than one video. Damn it. That means I have to redo this. Alright, got some thumbnail. Let's see one of these cheesers on here. No, I want one with the mouth open. There we go. Captions. Alright, let's see how good Facebook gets it on the first try. What the fuck is Elvis Red, bro? It's Alpha Shred. It's 267. And that is true. That was one of our test price points. And it sold at 297, but not as many as we wanted it to sell. Alright, we got that updated. So now we can publish this ad. Perfect. Now I can duplicate this ad set for my second conversion event that I want to target. The original campaign, one duplicate. Thank you. And then I'm going to put conversion warm, because it should be conversion warm alpha purchase. Alright, so purchase, we're going to get rid of alpha view and do it might not even have it in here. Yeah, here's alpha purchase. It's just red. It's cool. I'll go make it activate. I know alpha purchase. Let's fire it again. Let's send it again. Alright. So that'll be good by the time I'm done with this. 7-day click or 1-day view. $20 daily. Warm audience. 25 to 44. Should be men. Oh shit, did I fuck that up on this one? What is men there? There's men there. Alright, then we got the feed. Perfect. And then our ads. It didn't take my crop, so I have to crop it again. I have to tell him to turn his phone the other way when he shoots these videos, so I can get that 16 by 9. 16 by 9. 16 by 9 is the best. It optimizes for more screens. But 16 by 9, if I try to do that with this video, it's so fucking square. It would, yeah, it would just cut his nose out. I guess I could throw it in Premiere and make it 16 by 9, but we'll just let Facebook crop it to 4:5 and say fuck it. And it's taking a hot minute to process. It usually doesn't actually take 2 minutes, but I'm guessing it's gonna actually take 2 minutes this time. ginger ale and lemonade, made from real ginger and with real juice. Oh, Canada Dry, you guys are some good marketers. Whoever designed your can for you. Man, it almost would be quicker for me to fire up Adobe. But I don't want to do those fucking captions again. I might have to if it didn't move over, because it didn't move the crop over, so that means it didn't move the captions over either. I guess it's already a 16 by 9. Here, let me try this. Oh yeah, it's already 16 by 9, so I'll just go with that. Man, I gotta take that back, telling him he's gotta redo his shit. Maybe I already converted it to 16 by 9 or something. I don't know. If it doesn't take it this time, I'm just gonna ignore the error and publish it anyways. Because I know it's in the right ratio, so it's probably gonna display. It might just be a glitch with Facebook's new platform update that's causing it to show the error when it doesn't actually exist. Alright, now I want to choose a different thumbnail. Alright, so now we got one ad set running to we got alpha viewer, and then we got our alpha purchase, all at $20 a day. So that's one campaign retargeting warm audience. Okay, and then our other campaign is video views, doing what I call targeted cold, which is where we build up the warm audience first, then create a lookalike of those people to get even more cold audience into our network. Then we're running 3 ad sets at $20 a day because we're running different creatives and we don't want to split that budget. We want the full budget to go to each creative, so we just running a duplicated ad set with just a different ad, each ad set running to the same targeted cold audience, and that's the other 3 funnels. So the conversion campaign is going to the main product alpha shred, which is our warmest audience, and then the feed, which is video views, because video views are cheap and they give you the ability to add a call to action where people can actually click a link and go to a landing page, go to your funnel. We got the other 3 funnels, targeted cold traffic. Two items are lead magnets. One item is a low ticket item that we're hoping will at least make us break even on ad spend. So we have yet to not make more than we spend on ads, so I'm not worried about that anyways. I hope this was helpful to you guys. You guys asked for a full review and build of this specific funnel, so I'm going to keep doing these daily, so just keep coming back daily. Whatever funnels and ads or whatever I happen to be working on, that's why it'll be different every day. I will go live and just show you guys, let you into my world pretty much. Anyways, this is Big Marv. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. One love.